Delaware to Parano Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Parano Island to Cape Charles Lake, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles until 8 p.m. At 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Chincoteague Bay to 10 nautical miles northeast of Lower Bernard Island to near Nantuapungo Reef, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Watchafree Inlet, Ocean City Inlet, Chincoteague Bay, Assateague Beach, Watchafree Reef, Blackfish Reef, Gulf Rambler Wreck, Ocean City Pier, 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, Chincoteague, 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island, Bone Wreck, African Queen Wreck, and Paramore Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.